Welcome to Layn University. My name's Conrad Layn. Y'all, my name's Conrad Layn. Welcome to Layn Turo University. I'm going to share how to actually start getting your stale listing booked. A lot of Turo hosts, doesn't matter if you're a power host, an all-star host, or even a regular host, or even new to the platform, oftentimes have this issue. I haven't had this issue for a while, but I've been there. So this is what you have to do. If you have a listing and no one's renting your car for some reason, first thing, you might be priced too high. Second, your listing might come off as being outdated, meaning you don't have any new reviews. For example, say your last trip was maybe 2 months ago, right? And it's just a stale listing. People like myself, Conrad Layn, are getting bookings every single day. I'm constantly getting new reviews. And the thing is that I'm out competing just by having good reviews. Trust this. When someone goes to a restaurant or when they go on to Turo or looking for a car or anything, like, they look at reviews and they want to see consistent and new reviews. If the reviews aren't new, it makes you look like you're outdated. So the first thing you must do, and you're probably going to lose your hair over this one, but you have to consider this. Anytime you're about to lose a review or you actually have an outdated listing, do your absolute best to make sure that you bring down the price by 50%. Crazy. Turo has certain limit barriers where you can't bring it down so low. So for example, maybe you're someone who's renting a car with $60, you want to bring it down by 50%. Turo maybe puts a threshold there where you can only maybe bring it down to like $45. Fine. Bring it down to whatever the limit is, and then voila. Yes, it sounds crazy. 50% is crazy. So even if you have a super deluxe car, say it's renting for $1,000, bring it down to $500. If you're renting for $400 per day, bring it down to $200 per day. If it's a regular basic car that's renting for maybe $70, bring it down to $35 if you can, or as low as you possibly can. And then keep it there for 3 days. And if you get a booking, great. And if you don't get a booking, then you wait another 3 days and then bring it up by 10%. So regardless if you get a booking or not, you bring it up by 10%. At this point, typically, yes, it's a lower price. Yes, you're not making as much money, but you're trying to get reviews. This is a really good perspective, especially if you're new to a Turo platform, because what happens is people get too caught into the fact of pricing at the highest. You're not there yet. Or obviously your booking was stale for months or weeks. You have to get some new reviews so you get it revamped, get back into the algorithms, and start marketing. So that when someone sees my cars or another power host's cars, you're not out competed, or it shows that we're constantly getting new reviews back to back. You have to actually bring the price down, get those reviews, get those 5-star reviews, and then get revamped back onto the Turo app. Trust me, I know this is true. There's no proven track record except the fact that I'm a power host and this has worked for me. And anytime you're in a stagnant situation where you're not making money on your Turo listing, it's been sitting there for days or weeks, bring that price down by 50%, bring it up every 3 days by 10%. But if it's not booked the first 3 days, keep it there a little longer. And if it doesn't go after 6th day, bring it up by 10%. And then wait another 3 days. If you get booked, great. If it doesn't, wait another 6 days, bring it up by 10%. And then same thing over 10% until you're back to your regular price. And guess what? At this point, now you have new reviews. If your car got booked at a lower rate, yes, you made less money, but you got the same review at the end of the trip, and you got put back into the algorithm. It's just how the thing works. So that's a quick tip for today from Power Host, and I'm good at what I do. Follow me on YouTube at Conrad Layn. You'll learn all about Turo and other hacks like this. You might not be too happy with my strategy, but it's only temporary. I like making money too, I get it. So you bring it up by 50%, and at that point, you bring it up by 10% every 3 days. And if it's not booked, wait 6 days, and every 6 days you do it. Like, subscribe, share, follow me on YouTube, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also follow me on Instagram and TikTok, and follow that website on my TikTok page, so you can actually go straight to my YouTube and watch all videos for free. It's 1,000 of videos that go in deep detail on how to succeed as a Turo power host and as a Turo host, and teach you how to make 6 figures with Turo. Love you guys. Like, subscribe, share, follow me on Instagram, Conrad Layn. Conrad Layn out. Peace.